Hello guys, and welcome to the most important part of the video. As I said, I will try to clean the surface of the screen first. And right here we have the wet wipe. Okay, I think it's done. And for the final test, we're going to be using this part right here. So we can remove the dust on it. As far as I can tell, there is no dust yet here. There are a few marks right here that I've seen. Okay. Now, the moment of truth. I hope I did not make any mistakes when installing this protective screen. Here on the edges, it must be perfectly aligned, and right here at the bottom too. Did remain a mark right here in the middle. I'm not sure why, but I think there's nothing I can do. I think it won't vanish anyway. But yeah, anyway, overall, this is how it should be done correctly, I think. Yeah. Anyway. Now, just to be sure, we're going to install the sticker. Oh, I believe this is no. This one is it doesn't apply anywhere actually. So this one is there's nothing you can use. I think probably. Oh yes, it does. Let's try one here, like I said, and the other into the other port. Okay, so this is how I installed the protective screen on my Motorola G8 Power. Thank you for watching, and see you in the other videos. Bye.